Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Tonydelarocha, and in today's video we have an unboxing slash review with the one and only, the Winston Box. I've done so many of these videos, it's hard to count. So if you guys want to check any of those out, I'll put them on the link down below. So if you want to see what I got this month, then continue watching. Starting off, this is going to be really long to say. Starting off with the signature stretch, I can't say it without even looking at it. Starting off with the signature, why do I want to say twist? Starting off with a signature stretch twill flat front chino. Signature stretch twill flat front chino. I mean, do we really need all of that? I don't think we do. So this is what it says on their little note here. How do you make chinos even better? The magic of stretch twill. Our signature stretch twill fabric starts with Peruvian cotton with just the right amount of spandex. Okay, and these are the flat front chinos. You can never go wrong with a maroon color. Now it is a thicker material, so I definitely do not see myself wearing this in the summer. Arizona, it's fucking hot. I'm wearing these now as soon as possible before it ends up being hot. The color I love. The stretchiness is really good. So it's not only gonna feel comfortable, but it's gonna look good with whatever outfit you mix it with. This is gonna be good. You can do this with an all black look. You can do this with a white color t-shirt. You can do this with a white shirt, black shirt, I mean heather gray. Mix and match with this color. I love the stretch of it. I'm definitely gonna try all these pieces out at the end of the video. Do like a mini lookbook at the end, so I'm definitely gonna be wearing these. Letting you know how they fit. These are the first one. The second one is the long sleeve V-neck with the pocket. Now the pocket, it's the blue and green plaid, which matches the long sleeve button up. I'm gonna show you next. This is the V-neck. I've never really seen a long sleeve V-neck, but this does have fit of a baseball tee. So I don't know if that's what they want to go for, but I love that they added the pocket. The different color pocket, because you never see that in baseball tees, or you never see that they're V-neck, they're all crew neck. So this is a good little mixture. Good job, Winston Box. I feel like this is gonna fit me good, and I do love that they do the printed tag on here instead of having the actual tag, because it does itch the back of my neck. I don't know if you guys feel that way, but every time there's like a tag on here, it bothers me so much. So we'll see how this fits. Long sleeve, seems long enough. The little logo there. So like I said, I'm gonna try these at the end of the video, see how they fit. Now here's the long sleeve button-up shirt. This one does look like it's gonna fit me big, but I mean, we'll make it work. I'll wash it and see how much it'll shrink so it can fit perfectly, because even the sleeves are huge. So this matches the pocket from the t-shirt, so I don't know if that's something they try to do. This can go perfect for St. Patrick's Day, which is coming up in a few weeks or 2 weeks or something like that. So this is gonna be perfect for St. Patrick's Day, or this shirt too, the long sleeve shirt. But I got 3 pieces in this month, and that's what I got. So I'm gonna show you guys how they fit, let you guys know if I like them or not. So I hope you guys enjoy this little lookbook, letting you guys know how they fit.
Chop.
go, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed that little lookbook. If you guys want to see more of these videos, please give it a thumbs up. I've been doing the Winston Box videos for a while now. It's just fun to see what we're gonna get next. That's what I like about the Winston Box. Remember to check out my old Winston Box videos when I first started working with them. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. I do review plus size fashion and lifestyle videos. Don't forget to click that little subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the notification bell button to get notified every time I post a video. That's really important. Don't forget to like, comment, and share my videos. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Mwah.